When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job well. And when they write to tell us they're impressed with our 5-star service, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care, and it's great to see that our focus on quality is making a huge difference every day. So if you're looking for a company that really cares to bring you the very best, with a huge focus on quality and satisfaction, you've definitely come to the right place. We want to thank you for checking us out today. Feel free to contact us anytime. We hope to hear from you soon.